Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to get old WhatsApp photos back. If you are using WhatsApp and you want to get old WhatsApp photos back, so here's just a step. You just have to open first WhatsApp app and then go to three dots, then tap on settings. In settings, you have an option of chats, tap on it, then scroll down, look for chat backup, tap on it. If you want to get your old photos back, so you have a method which is create a backup for those photos. Just tap on backup, and after doing this, these photos will be backed up. And after that, you can easily get your old photos in this folder. You can easily get them. So that's how you can get old WhatsApp photos back. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.